All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Hyundai Sonata. It is the SE model, this beautiful sedan, silver with gray interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Super nice. The best part about it, it's got 7,000 miles. Here's your front bumper. Looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Front bumper does have a scuffing here. It looks about 3 to 4 inches. Your fender here looks good. Your front passenger rim, front driver's rim looks good. Tire tread is at 6/32. It looks like. Let me double check. What's going on here? Boom! It's just 6/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread looks to be at 6/32. That's right. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does come with 3 keys. 2 key fob combos and 1 valet key. You jump into this vehicle so you guys check out the instrument cluster. Get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side, which your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 7,501. Looks good. Put up the trunk. Keep it moving. Got your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, the holes, the tears, the rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Your rear bumper looks pretty nice. That spoiler looks great. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools and your owner's manual is tucked away. Got a rear spoiler. Trunk deck lid looks good. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Very nice LC curbing. And your tire thread is at 4/32, it looks like. Yep. This front door here does have a dent here. Small, about less than an inch. Less than an inch, some paint off on that one. Looks like a dent here in this rocker molding, about 3 to 4 inches. Here's your front passenger seat. The other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. And your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread, it's at 6/32. Lights are working, car is on, everything is fantastic. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Hyundai Sonata SE model with 7,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.